Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Honda key fob here. It works for these models, HR-V, Fit, and a lot of fobs with this shape right here. And you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this, 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to turn this fob like this to the back, and right here you see this small button. Now you need to slide this button to this direction, and when you slide it this way you can very easily remove this mechanical key over here. Alright, now when you remove the mechanical key and turn the fob like this to the bottom right here, between these pieces right here, in the middle between them, take the tip of the mechanical key, only the tip, and insert it right here. And when you insert it right here, now twist it a little bit to this side, and this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this one and this one. Alright, now right after that here you see your old dead battery. To remove the battery again it's very easy, just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver, insert it here and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, you just install your new battery like this, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together just like this here. And when you snap them together, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning. And right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.